Ladies and gentlemen, you'll want to pay extremely close attention to the today video. I'll share with you my insider trading view strategy. This is the trading secret strategy that no one is talking about. They get nervous if this is leaked. Everyone will know the secrets of the strategy. This won't be your typical YouTube video of a random trading technique. This is for those who are serious about having a successful trading career and make their dreams come true, not only for themselves but for their future family too, so be careful to watch. You can use this strategy on Forex, stock, and crypto, but make sure to use it on lower time frames. This will help you to enter multiple trades in a day and generate up to 1,000 points of profit daily. The entire video and take close attention to what I say. I will show you a trend following strategy which uses volumes and breakout levels to give short scalping trade setups. On charts with 5-minute or higher time frames, you can apply this method, but I personally recommend to use it on 5-minute charts. Let's get started. Open Trading View, switch to 5-minute chart, click the indicators tab and search Chandelier Exit by Everget. Many of you may know about this indicator, and if not, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step by myself. This indicator acts as a trend filter, but when coupled with our hidden indicator, it shows amazing results. To optimize this indicator with our strategy, in the Chandelier Exit options, increase the ATR period to 15 and deactivate the buy and sell labels. Next, search for this secret and my personal indicator type volume. Bar breakout in the indicator search box. The first indicator should be added to your chart and your trade setup is ready, but hold on. Ensure you watch the entire video to learn how to apply this configuration in the most profitable manner. The volume bar indicator shows movement strength. Breakouts within the range of the highest volume bar indicate trend continuation for a small or longer period. To quickly identify trends, we use a 5-minute time frame. If you're still here watching the video, it means your dedication towards trading is good, and soon you'll be flourishing with success. Buy setup, make sure it is. If your Chandelier exit line is green for buy trades, wait for a buy signal, keep waiting, and start your transaction on a new candle. Sell setup. Sell setups are as easy as buy setups. Make sure the sell signal is visible and that the exit line from the chandelier is already red. Wait until a new candle is formed and then execute your sell trade. After you enter a trade, it's very important to know how to exit trades with minimum risk and maximum profit. For this strategy, instead of using a set risk-reward ratio, I try to make as much profit as I can from an ongoing trend. You will understand it as, I'll explain you, I target 100 points as my take profit level. This is struck about 95% of the time, and when it does not hit my take profit level, I exit trades. When the exit indicator line on the chandelier changes color, this reduces the risk very efficiently, and almost no points are lost. Now I will show you some examples of the trades. Here is an example of a sell trade. You can see that the exit signal on the chandelier is red, and a sell signals is given by volume breakout indicator. Suppose you have started a new candle trade. The 100-point profit target is easily achieved. Let's take another example. Here we have a buy trade. A new buy signal is shown, and the exit line for the chandelier is green. If you would have executed the trade on new candle, 100 points of profit are easily hit, or even more points can be achieved with a little patience. Another example shows how easily this sell trade ended up with 130 points in profit, and this buy trade result in a huge profit of more than 300 points. Okay, so what happens if the market does not follow the trend? And rules are extremely easy. If the trend weakens, you didn't meet the 100-point target. You exit trade when chandelier exit indicator changes color. Consequently, your risk lowers and you lose less than half of your targeted reward. Here are few images which show invalid entry conditions. Avoid these indications because they are counter-trending. There will be few false signals, but it's very easy to filter them out without need of any extra indicator. Checking the chandelier line can help you quickly avoid misleading alerts if the line is freshly formed and then a signal is given. Consequently, there is a 95% chance that you will hit your goal. But if the chandelier line has been there since considerable amount of time and the trend has already happened, it means soon there can be a reversal, and I don't recommend taking those signals. If you have not yet subscribed, I'm sure you'll be missing amazing strategies used by people to become rich. I will be posting those strategies on this channel for completely free. So if you want to become wealthy, be sure to subscribe at this time. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in comments. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, goodbye.